Jai Hind students, today we will talk about the most important topic for class 12th NEET and JEE exams. The first one is theory of origin of charge. The theory of origin of charge and triboelectric series. These are the two topics. Now let me start from first one, theory of origin of charge. What is the theory of origin of charge? As we know that each substance is made up of atoms. Let me draw this. This is an atom. And there is a nucleus at the center. This is nucleus and a positively charged proton and uncharged neutron present in the nucleus. Negatively charged electron revolves around its orbit. Electron revolves around its orbit. If number of electron is equal to the number of proton present in the atom, then we can say that the atom or substance is in the normal state. Charge of electron is equal to the charge of proton. As we know that the charge of electron is always negative value and the charge of proton is always positive value, and the charge of electron is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. This is the charge of electron and also the charge of proton, but the difference between them is negative value and positive value. If there is a negative value, then we can say that it is the value of electron. If there is a positive value, then we can say that this is the charge of, if positive value, this is the charge of proton. So the charge of electron is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb and is equal to the charge of proton. Now when there is a two bodies, first one is A and another one is B. Nuclear present in the center and here also. If two bodies are rubbing each other, then electron from first body transfer to the other. If we are rubbing each other, then this electron will be transferred to the other body. if electron is transferred to the other body, when it is donate it this body, if this body donates the electron, it will call positive value, and when it is receiving the electron, then this body will be negative body. So we can say that if there is a deficiency of electron, it will be positive value, and if excess of electron, it is called negative value. इसको हम और अच्छे एग्जाम्पल से समझने की कोशिश करते हैं. लेट मी ड्रॉ टू बॉडीज. These are two bodies, A and B. If there is a number of electron equal to 6, let me consider the number of electron will be 6 and the number of proton will be 6. If body B having number of electron equal to 8 and the number of proton equal to 8, these two bodies are rubbing each other, then the electron from first body or body A will be transferred to the other body, it is B. If one electron moves from first body to the other, here the deficiency of electron, so the new value will be 5, but not transferring to the proton, so the proton number of proton will be same, and this body will be received electron, so the new number of electron will be 9 and the proton remains same 8. Here the number of proton is 8 and the number of proton 6, but the change of number of electron here is 5 and here will be 9. यहां पर इलेक्ट्रॉनों की संख्या में कमी हुई है और यहां पर इलेक्ट्रॉनों की संख्या में बढ़ोतरी हुई है, लेकिन प्रोटॉन यहां इस वाले में अगर हम देखें तो प्रोटॉन की संख्या इलेक्ट्रॉन की संख्या से ज्यादा है, जिसकी वजह से प्रोटॉन पर पॉजिटिव चार्ज होता है, जिसकी वजह से इस बॉडी को हम पॉजिटिव वैल्यू कहेंगे, और यहां पर इलेक्ट्रॉनों की संख्या में बढ़ोतरी होने की वजह से इस बॉडी पर नेगेटिव वैल्यू चार्ज आ जाएगा. तो इस तरह से हम कह सकते हैं कि जहां पर नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन डिफिशियंसी के कारण यहां पॉजिटिव और इसमें नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन एक्सेस के कारण इसे नेगेटिव वैल्यू पाएंगे. So this is called the electronic theory of origin. Now next is triboelectric series. Firstly we discuss what is triboelectric series. The triboelectric series is a list of material that indicates by position on the list that the material is capable of acquiring the positive or negative charge and relative strength of charge. So if we write some materials list, on this list the above electrons acquires more positive charge and below materials acquires more negative charge. Now, I have wrote some material list here. The above material list like human hands, asbestos, rabbit fur, glass, human hair, nylon. These all materials acquires more positive charge. And next, wood and amber. This middle list having neutral charge or zero, and the below list acquires more negative charge. Now let us try to understand this with the help of some examples. If we pick two materials like glass and silk, in the list the glass is above to the silk, so we can say that glass acquires positive charge and silk acquires negative charge. Now with the fur and ebonite, from the list we can see that fur is in the above, so fur will be having positive charge, and ebonite is in the lower list, so ebonite will be having negative charge, and the bull having positive and rubber negative charge. So this triboelectric series show that which material having positive or acquires positive charge, or which material acquires negative charge. So students, we have discussed both important topics, theory of origin of charge and triboelectric series. I hope you like this video, so please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you all.